Alright, another HelloFresh video. So this is our third box and let's just get into it. So it looks like they changed their packaging to paper. So let's see, we've got the Creamy Dreamy Mushroom Cavatappi. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. And the one pan black bean poblano quesadillas. I also wanted to try the cheesecake from their HelloFresh market, so we got 2 of those. And as you can see below, because it is paper, it got the bottom of the box pretty wet. Okay, we're trying the dessert first, and it was really good. Like, I really like this. Alright, so we're starting off with the quesadillas. I'm not sure if I talked much about the actual food, but I don't have any complaints with like the food I get. They seem fresh, they're alright. There's just once in a while something seems a little odd, like the poblano pepper maybe has a cut in it. A little earlier I showed you guys the lemon. The lemon looked a little patchy, not really sure why, but I don't really have any complaints with the food. To our pasta dish. with mushrooms, but this was really good. This is one of the best HelloFresh meals I've ever made. Once again, no complaints. The only thing I have to say is that the packaging is a little weird. So it just seems like the packaging is the only one that changes a little bit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!